You're not actually lazy, and honestly, you might not even be sleep deprived. You're suffering from digital brain fog. You're waking up and immediately overstimulating your brain with a year's worth of news and drama before your feet even hit the floor. Your brain isn't tired of doing things, it's tired of processing things. You're in a constant state of high alert and your nervous system is paying the price. If you want your energy back, we need to talk about a dopamine reset. Here are the 3 non-negotiables I started doing to fix my brain. The first one is going to hurt a little, but it's the most important. Let's dive in. Step 1. The 30-minute buffer. Most of us use our phones as an alarm, which means the first thing we touch is a dopamine bomb. For the next week, your phone stays in another room for the first 30 minutes of the day. Step 2. View morning light. This isn't just wellness talk, it's biology. Getting natural light in your eyes within 20 minutes of waking up resets your circadian rhythm and triggers a timed release of cortisol, the healthy kind that actually wakes you up. Step 3. The physical bridge. Instead of digital input, give your body physical input. Drink 16 ounces of water and move for 2 minutes. This tells your brain the survival mode of the night is over and you're safe. When you skip the scroll, you stop your brain from entering reactive mode. You start the day in control, rather than playing catch-up with the rest of the world. I'm doing a 7-day no-scroll challenge starting tomorrow. If you're tired of feeling tired, comment reset and let's do this together. Your brain will thank you.